Let's walk through how the GEO SEO Analyzer works, step by step. First, head over to GEO SEO Lab. Just type in geoseolab.com and you'll land right on the homepage. This is the main dashboard page. It gives you a quick overview of what the tool offers before you dive in. If you scroll through features, you can see exactly what each tool measures, like your review score, sentiment, and response rate, all in one view. Now, let's get into the actual analyzer. Click on Go to Dashboard to get started. For example, here you can see a 4.7 review score, 92% sentiment. It's worth tracking since 93% of consumers actually check reviews before buying. Once you're in, click Add Project. Just enter your project name and your website's domain here. Hit Create Project, and GEO SEO Lab will set everything up and drop you into your dashboard. From the sidebar, click on GEO SEO Analyzer. That's the tool we're focusing on today. Just click Analyze, and the tool will scan your entire site, checking things like SEO score and how well your content performs on AI answer engines like ChatGPT and Perplexity. Once it's done, you'll get a full breakdown, your SEO score, your GEO score, and a list of every issue it found, sorted by how critical they are. Scroll down and you'll see it's broken into categories: on-page SEO, technical SEO, security, and more, so you know exactly where to focus first. Let's dig into one of these categories. I'll click into on-page SEO to see what's actually driving that score. Take this rule, image file name. It failed because the primary keyword's missing. Click View Fix, and the AI generates the exact code change for you instantly. Or click Get Help, and it opens a pre-filled support ticket for that exact issue. Click over to All Issues, and you get the complete list, all 66 issues, ranked by severity and impact. Now, let's check the Pages tab. Every one of your 100 pages listed individually, each with its own SEO, GEO, and AI score, plus SERP, device, and bot eye actions. Click SERP on any page, and you'll see exactly how it appears in a live Google search result, right down to the title and description. Back on the Overview tab, you've also got page preview tools ready to explore: bot eye, SERP, and device previews. Click Device, and you can preview how that same page renders across desktop, tablet, and mobile, all without leaving the dashboard. This makes sure your layout, your text, and your key information look right no matter what screen your customer is using. Now, why use GEO SEO Lab? First, it brings everything into one dashboard instead of juggling 20 different tools. Second, it's built for the AI era, optimizing not just for Google, but for ChatGPT. Now click Bot Eye. This is where it gets really interesting. It shows your page broken into zones: schema, chunkable, citation, and problem zones, exactly how an AI model reads it. If a zone's missing, like a chunkable section here, you'll see exactly what's absent and why it matters for showing up in AI answers. Head to the Priorities tab, and you'll see your top issues to fix ranked by real impact. And when you're ready, export the full report as PDF, JSON, or Markdown to share with your team. And that's it. That's how you run your first analysis with GEO SEO Analyzer.